Hey Armcandy gang, welcome back to our channel. Today's bag is a beautiful piece of Mulberry. This is a Mulberry Blossom Tote in what Mulberry call sea blue, and it is just the most beautiful shade of blue. And the leather has this gorgeous sheen to it. Feels just gorgeous. I love this bag. It's got double top handles or shoulder straps, however you want to carry it. So comfortable if you wanted to kind of carry it like this. It does fit on your shoulder. I have got the wrong top on to show you that, but it fits very comfortably on your shoulder as well. Really, really good size. The measurements are all on the website, but a great practical size for every day. Double straps, and then inside it's the suede interior. It's got one zipped pocket. Again, it's suede interior on the pocket, and the badge is here. It's one of those pockets that kind of lifts up and you've got the suede underneath. Okay, so it comes with the product tag. It also comes with the care card. I'm going to read what it says about the leather. It says calf napper. This bag is made from a smooth, firm calf leather, finished with a protective coating to increase durability. The leather will relax and soften over time, and the grain will become more pronounced with age and use, as a natural characteristic of this leather type. Which I think just explains why it's got this beautiful sheen to it, and obviously the leather will just get better and better with age, and I find that with Mulberry leathers, it just gets better and better. Okay, so the condition of the bag. The hardware is in excellent condition. I don't know if you can tell, but this tag still has the plastic wrap on it. The interior we've called very good condition. There's nothing for me to point out to you. There's no marks or anything in there. Just shows some signs that maybe someone's used it a couple of times. So very good condition on the inside. The exterior we've called good condition. Again, there's nothing major. There's a few things I'm going to point out. But they are really, really minuscule. So there is some signs of wear to the bottom corners. There we go. Okay, there's a tiny little mark just there. And then there is a tiny little dent just here, which, there you go, can you see it? Just there. But other than that, the rest of the exterior of the bag is fantastic. So it's just those few things that I've pointed out to you, and I think you'll agree, this is just the most beautiful bag to use every day. The colour is just wonderful. It feels gorgeous. You know, it has this nice sort of textured feels. The leather on the outside feels nice, the suede inside feels nice, it's beautiful blue inside, the handle is comfortable. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous tote. So if you are interested in this Mulberry Blossom, there is a link to it. If you go to the comments below my video, there's a link that will take you to the website. Before you go, remember please to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. But then you can go to the website, have a look at this, check out the details of it. And remember to sign up to the newsletter on the website, and we'll send you a discount code that you can enter at the checkout. Even if this isn't going to be your first purchase with us, go and get your discount code ready today. It's dead easy, take you seconds to do. So when you go to the website, you'll either get a pop-up box that needs your email address putting in it, or you can scroll to the bottom of any page on the website and there's a little white box. You pop your email address in there and then we'll send you your discount code. The discount code comes through immediately, so if you haven't got it within a minute, check your spam folder, probably gone in there. And I think that's about it. We have put a link in the comments to our Instagram, so if you're interested in more of what's going on behind the scenes of Armcandy, come and join us on Instagram. But we'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's bag.